Now this time to move back to Lonavala city and then later Lions Point and then later finally home. So I was there at that point. That was Lions Point. So finally नीचे ही आ गए. हाँ नीचे almost आ ही गए हम. From where I just started riding. Sharp turn ahead, just go slow. Actually these are the lake, but actually there is only less of water in that particular lake. It's a very big lake, huge lake. So here somewhere we'll take food. So I think so from here we'll buy some chikki. Magan Lal chikki. Okay, so from here we'll buy Magan Lal chikkis. Okay. So we bought chikkis and now we are moving ahead. So now I will find some hotel to eat because I feel hungry. It's more than 3 o'clock. Okay, so I just remember last time we were eat some food ahead. That hotel is Snacks Center and there is Food Center. So let me go till there and we'll eat something. So after food, just we are hitting back. Now we'll decide after few minutes from where we have to go. So a small pond and lake. That's also we can say it's a lake, small lake. Khandala, it's called Khandala. Now we are going for the Khandala peak, Khandala point and peak, whatever we can say. I will not take turn. So this is the peak which is called Tiger. So I just stopped it. So let me try to show you. Okay, so I'm not going ahead from here. Down the side you can see the tunnel and this is the peak. From here to that way. There you can find it out waterfall. Still water in that. Is also. So let me ask to my brother to take some pictures, some snaps from here. So ahead there is a few more. There is one more point from where we can see the complete road. I don't know last time where we've gone, but from there we were seeing a lot of the pictures. We were clicked a lot of the pictures from there. Yes, it was only Tiger Valley. I think so. This is the only that peak. What is the peak? I hope. Yeah, this one. Oh my God. So actually I just find it out where is that peak. This is also one of the peak here. We can find it out all the roads, how it seems like, how it's gone. But from there we will find a complete road views. Yes, from there only. Yeah, actually. Lot of the wind. Okay, so let me stop the motorcycle here. And from here I'll show you the view. So it was a very first old highway it was before, but now it is completely closed, and the new highway, you can just find it out everywhere. You can find a very good views of the road, but on that particular highway we can't go because it's not allowed. And that way there is city, I think so, I don't know, I'm not aware which city it is, it is, I'm not sure which city is that. So here also on the peak we can go, there is stairs, but right now people can go or not, I don't know. So here I have just set the map, and now I'm just going to change the route, and this route is going by yeah, on this route I will cover that Matheran, nearby Matheran. I will not go in Matheran, but yeah, nearby that Matheran and all these things I will go. So let me find it out. From here also you can find it out, the peak. Actually this is called Tiger Point. Tiger Point, yes. Lions Point is on. So from this way, there is not a road, that is particular train's way. Yeah, there is train. So now this time to go. While taking turn, we have to take care a lot of the things while taking this kind of turn. Unfortunately, I am using clutch. I never prefer to use clutch on the, not that much, even not that much. I'm not using that much clutch, but somewhere I'm using. To slow down my motorcycle, that's also technique I'm using in this motorcycle. Somewhere I came down the side, not completely, but somewhere a bit and half, I can say half of the road I have just covered. That way you can find it out, lot of the fountains, not fountain, lot of the waterfall in rainy season. रेनी सीजन में आने का तो मज़ा ही कुछ और है, क्योंकि रेनी सीजन में जो ये होता है, व्यूज़ होते हैं वो तो अलग ही होते हैं, लेवल ही अलग होता है व्यूज़ के. टोटल कंप्लीट ग्रीन. जस्ट चेंज द रूट for the Badlapur. I'll go Badlapur and then later from Badlapur, by Badlapur way I'll go to my home. So here I just fixed the issue and now it is not shaking. I just use the stone, काम चलाओ जुगाड़ से काम चला लिया और अब चलते फिरते. So here I'm riding in Matheran. I think so it's a Matheran. You can find it out. These hills are the Matheran. After this I'm moving for Neral. The sunset coming in the camera now at this moment. These all are the Sahyadri hills. So yes, I'm reaching to the Badlapur in few minutes. I'll be in Badlapur. Yeah, after few minutes I'll be in Badlapur. I think so I should have to wind up this video. So I will reach at Bellavali, not Bellavali, as my home place in few minutes. So I think so I have to wind up this video here. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give thumbs up, and also if you have not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, so please do subscribe my YouTube channel, and also please press the bell icon to get the new video notification. Thank you so much for watching. Ride safe, stay safe.